Hello. Many areas had a generally cloudy weekend across the UK, but changes are afoot in the next 24 hours. We'll see a band of cloud and rain spreading its way southwards. That will introduce something a lot brighter from the north, but we'll also see some strengthening winds as well, particularly for northern Scotland, and that could have one or two impacts. But back to Sunday evening and overnight then, you can still see generally cloudy skies across the UK. That cloud thick enough to give some patchy light rain towards the north and the west, with patches of fog and hill fog further south as well. But through the night, we'll see heavier, more persistent rain spreading in across northern and western Scotland. Strengthening winds here as well. We could see gales and exposure by the early hours of Monday morning. Elsewhere though, lighter winds and no real problems with temperatures. Values in towns and cities staying between 5 and 8 degrees. So we pick up on that heavier, more persistent rain continuing across parts of Scotland through Monday morning, spreading its way southeastwards, tending to turn a bit lighter, more patchy, and reaching northern parts of England by the early part of the afternoon. Now to the south of it is drier, but still generally cloudy, with any brightness very limited indeed. But brighter, sunnier skies following from the north. Just a few showers continuing across northern parts of Scotland, and these could be wintry over higher ground. But the main thing for Monday will be the strength of the wind. Winds will strengthen across all areas, but particularly for northern Scotland. Here we can see gales or severe gales developing through the afternoon, locally gusts up to 70 or 75 miles an hour. And we have a yellow be aware warning in force for that. That could have some impacts, as I said. Now through the rest of Monday into the evening and overnight, that cloud and patchy rain will clear its way southwards, and behind it something drier, clearer, but a fair few showers continuing across the north and the northeast. And winds staying strong as well, particularly for northern Scotland. That warning still in force, and as you can see, no real problems with temperatures once again. So for many areas, it's a much brighter start to Tuesday morning. We finally lost those leaden skies across the south, and those brighter sunny spells continuing through much of the day. Again, some showers continuing towards the north and the east, wintry over higher ground, but even those tending to ease through the day. After that windy start, winds tending to ease through the day, so I think by the afternoon we should see highs of somewhere between 5 and 8 degrees for most areas, still around where they should be for this time of the year. A quick look ahead then to the rest of the week, and as you can see here from the pressure pattern, high pressure still very much remaining in control of our weather, centred just to the west of the UK. So still bringing a lot more dry weather to come. After a brighter spell through Tuesday, Wednesday, cloud tending to build towards the latter part of the week, but once again turning milder, particularly in the north and the west.